IMNN stock analysis and IMNN stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do and trade this. And I'm the only guy in this stock space that has done 40,000 videos, has proof of everything. It's taken me 5 years, but it's all documented on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. And ultimately, I know it's choppy, it's kind of all over the place, but I don't think nothing changes the fact that this is just not the most bullish thing ever. You know, ultimately, just going to mark down the lows. And let's go daily chart. Yeah, this is my supply. Bro, this is not volatile. Like, if you ask me, but I'm like, Mr. Suko, are you going to trade this? I'm going to say no. Gotta say no, man, because what the hell? You know, maybe yeah, if there's a double break, I'm sure maybe then, but randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. I'm being perfectly honest. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.